Ready to install HandBrake on your computer. HandBrake is a free, open-source video transcoder that can help you convert and compress video files. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install HandBrake in 2026. So let's get started. First, locate the HandBrake installer you downloaded from the official website. Double-click the installer to begin the setup process. If Windows displays a security prompt, review the publisher information and choose Yes to continue if everything looks correct. Once the HandBrake setup window appears, follow the installation wizard. Click Next or continue through the available setup screens. The installer will guide you through the process without requiring complicated configuration. Next, review the installation location. In most cases, you can keep the default folder recommended by the installer. Unless you have a specific reason to change it, the default location is usually the easiest option. Continue through the remaining setup options and click Install. HandBrake will copy the necessary files to your computer. Take a moment while the installation finishes and don't close the setup window during the process. Once the installation is complete, click Finish and launch HandBrake. You can also open it later from the Start menu or desktop shortcut if one was created. When HandBrake opens for the first time, you'll see its main video conversion interface. To make sure everything is working correctly, open a video file or select a source and check that HandBrake can load it successfully. So, you've successfully installed HandBrake and it's ready to use. And that's how to install HandBrake. Once the application is installed and running, you can use it to convert, compress, and prepare videos for different devices and formats. The setup is straightforward, so you can get started with video conversion in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.